What's the meaning of component? Component. Component.
Component. Component. A component refers to a part or element of a larger system or structure. It is a distinct and identifiable part that can be combined with other components to create a more complex system or structure. Components are often used in engineering and software development, where they are designed to perform specific functions and can be easily interchanged or replaced. In electronic devices, components such as resistors, capacitors, and transistors are used to build circuits. Using components allows for greater flexibility and efficiency in system design and development, as well as easier maintenance and upgrading. Overall, components play an essential role in creating and optimizing complex systems across various industries and applications.